Assalamualaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class 8 and our today's topic is Assignment 1 topic. Look at the board student. Our today's topic is Assignment 1 topics and lecture number is 17. Again I am saying today's topic is Assignment 1 topics and lecture 17. So student, look at the board. This is your cover page. This cover page you can collect from your school or Facebook page. And our assignment number 1, unit 1, lesson 2, Nokshi Katha. And assignment task is section B. Question: do you like a Nokshi Katha or an ordinary Kantha? Why? Answer: yes, I like Nokshi Katha. I like Nokshi Katha because enhance the beauty of our house. Dear student, this is only the model assignment. You will not copy this assignment. You will not copy this assignment. This is the only the demo class or model class of assignment. Okay. Enhance the beauty of our house. Profound relationship with our life and culture. Colorful patterns and designs and indigenous art. Traditional craft. Great demand. Expensive. Fashionable. Comfortable. Dear student, you have to explain in this point. When you write your answer, you have to explain this point. Enhance the beauty of our house. Nokshi Katha enhance the beauty of our house, etc. Profound relationship with our life and culture and village life, towns life, etc. Colorful patterns and design in Nokshi Katha. There is so many colorful patterns, design and anything. And indigenous art. Why it is indigenous art and why and what, you have to explain this point. Traditional craft. Nokshi Katha is our traditional craft in Bangladesh. It is a tradition. Nokshi Katha is our tradition in our Bangladesh. Great demand. Why it is great demand? You have to explain this point. Then expensive. Why it is expensive and why it is so great demanding and valuable things and in our Bangladesh. Fashionable. Why it is so fashionable? You have to explain. And comfortable. It is comfortable because its material is cotton and it's a very good looking and all the people can use it. That's why. And you have to explain all these points and should not copy this assignment. Only you have to help from this assignment and also explain this assignment. Assignment 1, next assignment. Assignment number 1, unit 2, lesson 4, delicious dish. Assigned task. Question: how to cook khichuri or pudding or firni following the recipe of custard given in your textbook. Also write 2 reasons why it is good or healthy food. Okay, our answer demo is here. Answer. Now I will discuss how to cook firni. Everyone know about the firni and in the ingredients of making firni. Ingredients of making firni: rice, milk, sugar, saffron, cardamom, almonds, cinnamon, resin, rose water. You have to write the measurement of these ingredients. You have to write the measurement of these ingredients. How many saffrons, how many cardamom you have to need to making the firni. You have to write this measurement. Then we will go to the description of firni. I write only short description, but you have to elaborate this description. You have to elaborate of making firni. You have elaborate this description of making firni. Elaborate this description. First step to prepare milk or firni. First step to prepare milk for firni. You have to describe this line. how you prepare milk for Finny. How do you prepare milk for Finny? You have to describe this line. Second step, add prepare ground rice paste with milk. You have to also describe this line. Third step, mix and continue cooking. You have also described this line also. Third step, mix and continue cooking. Fourth step, add sugar, saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, and will continue cooking for 5 minutes. Fourth step is add sugar, saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, and will continue cooking for 5 minutes. I write only short form, but you have to describe this point. And finally add rose water, ricin, and almost. You have to write here how do you decorate your Finny. You write here how do you decorate your Finny, and add extra some ingredients to decorate your Finny. You can write. And last question, also write 2 reasons why it is good or healthy food. Also write, sorry student, here write 2, TWO2, here write 2, okay. Students, also write 2 reasons why it is good or healthy. You have to write 2 reasons why Finny is good for health or good or healthy food. I write only 1 reason. You have to write another reason. Finny is a healthy food because it contains milk, which is an ideal food besides rice and various types of spices. Dear student, I write only 1 reason. You have to write another reason why Finny is good or healthy food. And student, this Nakshikantha assignment and delicious food assignment are your demo class or model assignment. You should not copy this assignment, only follow this assignment, and you have to write with the help of your creativity and main book. And submission date from 8th November 2020. Submission date is 8th November 2020. Again I am saying submission date from 8th November 2020. Dear student, hope all the students have understood today's topic. And student, this is your demo assignment class. Again I am saying this is your demo assignment class. You should not copy. You only follow this assignment class and complete your assignment. And you submit your assignment from 8th November. So you will continue your assignment. See you again, inshallah.